Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites so the transfer is smooth. Make sure both phones are charged and connected to the same network, and install the latest Authenticator app on the new phone. Next, open the Authenticator on your old device and enable account backup or cloud sync if available. This preserves your codes. Once done, sign into the same backup account on the new phone. This step creates a secure bridge for your account data and prevents lockouts during the move. Now you perform the actual migration using the app's transfer feature. On the old phone, choose Export or Transfer Accounts and generate the QR code or display setup keys. This prevents manual errors. Then open the Authenticator on the new phone, select Import or Scan QR, and capture the code. If scanning fails, type the provided setup key by hand. After import, verify each account by entering a generated code into the service or approving a prompt, so you confirm everything replicated correctly. Finish by confirming every account functions on the new phone before wiping the old one. This avoids accidental lockouts. Make sure you remove or unlink the Authenticator from the old device, and if you plan to sell or dispose of it, revoke its access in each service's security settings. If something goes wrong, codes don't match, resync the Authenticator's time correction, or fall back to stored recovery codes to regain access. Finally, keep backup methods enabled so you can recover quickly in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.